Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of best new Blender add-ons that are sure to enhance your workflow as a 3D artist. First on the list, we have Assetify. Assetify is a powerful tool designed to convert your Blender assets, whether simple models or complex procedural setups using geometry nodes, into optimized formats ready for e.g. game engines, rendering platforms, VR/AR, and 3D printing. With automated processes for texture baking, UV unwrapping, and asset management, Assetify bridges the gap between your artistic vision and technical requirements. There is a lot it comes with, which we will talk about in the dedicated video, coming very soon. In the meantime, if you want to read more about it, I will have the link to it in the description below. Make sure to take a look at the creator's other add-ons. And the best one among these is Mossify, which allows you to add realistic moss for close-up shots. It comes with a huge variety of moss assets, and I think it's worth giving a look at the amazing assets you can get. Next on the list is Forest Master. Forest Master allows you to create realistic forests in Blender quickly. It provides intuitive controls for tweaking parameters such as plant density and distribution, empowering you to fine-tune your tropical forest with ease. Additionally, you can easily customize the forests with your own vegetation assets. No more fiddling with weight painting or painstaking manual placement. Simply draw curves and get easily adjustable jungles. The plants automatically conform to your assigned ground object. Forest Master leverages low-mid poly trees in combination with an efficient geometry node system to create and render huge forests quickly. 35 plant models provide a realistic appearance while maintaining a high-performance viewport. For animators searching for new and powerful tools, note that NDA has recently released some exciting options. Animate Pro is a comprehensive tool that brings popular Maya features into Blender. Here's what you can do with it. Work with animation layers and a time editor, just like in Maya. Use the Anim scope to easily sculpt your animation curves in the graph editor. Take advantage of the editor stop bar and animation offset for precise animation control. Explore a wide range of graph editor tools to refine your animations. Animate Pro is currently in early access, but it's a game-changer for Maya users transitioning to Blender, or for those who wanted Maya animation features right in Blender. It provides a familiar and comfortable working environment. NDA also offers the Transformator, a simple but effective tool for animators. It allows you to quickly copy and paste global and relative transforms between objects, effortlessly manage keyframes, paste transformations onto specific axes, utilize a temporary pivot for enhanced animation control. The Transformator streamlines your animation workflow in Blender. And we also have the Universal Base Model. This is a fantastic resource for character animators, offering a set of models with customizable body types, male, female, thin, muscular, all fully rigged and ready to animate. They also have a Rig UI add-on, as well as an Outliner Bookmarks add-on. Lastly, we have Physical Celestial Objects. It's not a new add-on, but it was just updated. With more realistic planets, more customizations are available, and it includes presets and a lot of other improvements. So if you want to make realistic space scenes in Blender, then this is something you should take a look at. And yeah, they also have the Ocean add-on for creating realistic ocean renders, as well as a Physical Starlight and Atmosphere add-on for creating real-time realistic skies in Blender. We will talk more about it later on this channel. And that's it, folks. These are the best new Blender add-ons so far. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each one. You can also check some of my previous videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.